Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over my Dollar General clearance event haul, plus I have a few updates for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so Dollar General clearance event for March 2022, day 1. Let's talk about it for just a second, shall we? So, the day started off a little bit rough. We had a couple of issues and a few questions. Wasn't quite sure how everything was going to work out today, to be honest with y'all. I got up this morning like 3 a.m. I was going to post some more coupon matchups, and I couldn't type in any UPCs. I couldn't scan anything. I couldn't even pull up my coupons in the app. Like, nothing was working. So the day started off a little bit rough. And then the other question, which was the main reason why I wanted to go today, was to see if the overage was still going to apply. I did a really big haul back in January, and I have yet to put together a video on that. I think I'm just going to pop up some pictures on the end of this video because all of those products are still good for this current clearance event that we're in the middle of. And I just want to let you guys know all of those deals that I did back in January were 5 off 25 deals. So it turned out really, really good, and I had a huge, insane amount of savings. So I'm very happy with that haul, but I got a lot of the stuff that I wanted back then. I was looking for the Olay and the St. Ives body wash, and then of course the razors with the overage, and I picked up, you know, some Febreze and Glade and things like that. So I did find some pretty good products. Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons doing a little editing here. I just wanted to come in and do a quick voiceover because I ended up with some background noise at this point in the video. But the main reason why I wanted to go into Dollar General was to try out the overage deals with digital and paper coupons to see what was up with that, because we've kind of been getting mixed reports. Different people are experiencing different things. I'm not quite sure if it's just different parts of the country that are dealing with this, or if this is something that Dollar General is going to slowly roll out everywhere. That's what I've been hearing at least. But for now, the digital and paper coupon overages are working for me. So I guess it's just kind of hit or miss on that. But y'all know DG, we just got to keep rolling with the punches. So for instance, like this morning when we were having all of those issues with the app, I went into the store and some of the items were marked, which was great, but some were not. So I had to go back, pull up those screenshots that I made for the video, you know, pull out my calculator on a couple of things, but it ended up working out okay. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and go over, I did do a couple of transactions. We do have some new coupon matchups that I'm going to tell you all about. And be on the lookout because after I get this video uploaded, I'm going to do an insert preview for all of the inserts that are coming out on the 6th, Sunday, March the 6th. So we'll have a bunch of new coupon matchups for the clearance event. And we have some really good coupons coming out that day. So we will also have some good digitals as well. So after I get this video done and uploaded, y'all be on the lookout for that video. We'll do an insert preview and a DG ad preview as well. So for this first little transaction that you see here, I promise I won't take up too much of your time. I did find the Airwick warmers. These were $1. Actually, the cashier had to manually adjust this down, and she marked it down at $1.25. So we have a 150 off one digital coupon. So that gave me 25 cents in overage. I did find the Chic men's razors. These were $2.47. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, making these 47 cents. I also found these Skintimate Bloom refills. These were $2.40. And we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon, giving you overage on that one as well. I did find the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. This was $1.32. Now let me tell y'all a little trick that I did with this one. It's not really a trick, but I did think of it, and I haven't mentioned it before in any of the other videos. With this Crest Pro Health toothpaste, we do have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. But that one doesn't expire until the end of the month. So what I decided to do was to use the 2-off-1 insert coupon in the PNG insert, because this coupon expires on March the 12th. So I handed over all of my paper coupons first, and then I typed in my digital, my phone number for my digitals to come off. So, you know, that may be something that you can do. And if you do that with a 5 off $25 scenario, if you want to hand over your paper coupons first, just make sure that you have one of those paper 5 off $25, let's see if I've got one right here. One of these to hand this and then hand over your coupons and then type in your phone number. So you just do it a little bit backwards. So this was free plus overage with this insert coupon or the digital, whichever one that you want to use. And we also have a 50-cent rebate back on Ibotta. So that was a moneymaker. I also found this Oral-B Deep Clean toothbrush. This was a new little matchup that I wasn't aware of. So these are $1.35, and we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, making that free plus overage. So awesome find there, a little unexpected. I picked up the Febreze Unstoppables plugins. Those were $2.70 each, or $5.40 for 2. And we have a buy one get one free insert coupon, if I can find it, in the PNG insert, which I used on this transaction. So that did take off $2.70 instead of the full $3. We do have a digital coupon for 3 off too, so that would give you a little bit more off if you would rather use the digital. But I was just out, you know, trying to test out some of these insert coupons. So it did take off $2.70. Then I found the Hello toothpaste. That was $1.20. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon working with that, giving it overage, making it free plus overage. The Chic Hydro men's razors, these were $4.50. We have a $4 off digital coupon for that one as well, making that 50 cents. And we do have insert coupons in the February 20 inserts, but I'm not sure why, but our newspaper skipped that week, so we didn't get inserts for that one. But anyways, we do have digitals that will work just fine with that. I also picked up the Aussie shampoos and conditioners. This is Miracle Coils. Those are $1.87 each, and we have a 2-off-2 digital coupon. Also picked up the Glade. This one is Hawaiian Breeze and Vanilla Passion Fruit, and this was $2.25. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, and we also have 1-off-1 insert coupons in the February 27th Smart Source. So I did use a few of those today as well. And I found the Glade Joyful Citrus and Daisies. These are just $1.50. So with that 1-off-1 digital or the insert coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Alright guys, so here's a quick look at my receipt, and I just wanted to show you all this so that you can see that the digital coupon overages and the paper coupon overages did apply for me. So it's going to be kind of a hit or miss thing. Y'all are just going to have to get out there and try these deals. We're just not sure if it's certain areas or if it's certain stores or what is going on at the moment, but Dollar General is probably going to roll this out nationwide eventually. But for now, during this clearance event, I'm still getting overages, so you may too. Alright guys, so here's the overview of my transaction. My subtotal was $27.38, and after all of my coupons were applied, I paid $3.18 out of pocket, but then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got 50 cents back on that Crest Pro Health toothpaste, which brought my final price to $2.68 for 13 items, making each one just 20 cents each. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and mention, since you guys are going to be watching this video on Saturday, if you decide to go out shopping today, don't forget to take advantage of that 5 off $25 coupon. Stack that with all of these 50% off deals with coupon matchups and overages. You can come out with some really amazing hauls. Alright guys, so here is my second transaction that I did today, and as y'all can see, a lot of the deals are exactly the same. But in this one, we have some brand new deals with some brand new coupons. So as y'all can see, like I said, a lot of these deals are exactly the same. We got the Chic men's razors. I did find the Sentiment Bloom women's razor and 2 refills. This works out to be exactly the same as the refills. So whichever one you can pick up, pick it up and take advantage of that overage. So completely free plus the overage. I picked up another Glade Citrus and Daisies 2-pack. We have a 1-off-1 digital, plus we have an insert coupon you can use. I also picked up the Colgate toothpaste instead of the Hello toothpaste. So whichever one you want to pick up, Colgate or Hello, they both work out to be exactly the same, free plus overage, with that 2-off-1 Colgate digital coupon. So Colgate, Oral-B, and Crest, all free plus overage. And then don't forget about that Ibotta rebate for the Crest toothpaste, okay? Now, we're going to get into some new deals that y'all do not know about yet. So, first up, we have Airwick. These are 3-count refills plus the warmer. This is Hawaii scent over here, and then Paradise Retreat. So, these are $7, but during the clearance event, they're going to be $3.50. So, I picked up 2 of these, and I'm going to show you why. Because in our inserts that are going to be coming out on Sunday, we have a buy one, get one free insert coupon in the Smart Source insert. So this coupon took off $3.50. So I got both of those Airwick products for just $3.50. I cannot believe it. That was an awesome, awesome deal. So I was very lucky to get inserts early this week. I don't know what happened. I think the newspaper got confused when we were supposed to get those February 20 inserts, and they put in the next week's insert. So we're a week ahead right now, and I'm loving it. So next up, I picked up the Febreze Unstoppables. This is Paradise Scent. So these are $1.80. Now with this transaction, I did not use this insert coupon for buy one, get one free, because this coupon would have only taken off $1.80. So I did use my 3-off-2 digital coupon because that worked out to be a better deal, right? So great deal there. Next up, I picked up the Pond's Eye Cream. This was $3. No digital coupons for these or insert coupons, but you do get points back on Fetch Rewards. So I went ahead and grabbed that. Next up, we have St. Ives. So this is a face scrub, rose water, can't even talk. Woo, it's been a long day. Rose water and aloe vera. So these are $2.02. And on Sunday, we are getting the new Unilever insert. Woohoo! So y'all know that means a ton of awesome coupon matchups. So in this insert, we have a coupon for St. Ives face products, $1.50 off one. So that made this little guy right here, what, about 50 cents? So you can't beat that. I think it's like 52 cents. So, and then you also get points back on Fetch Rewards for this as well. So great deal there. I also picked up the Love Beauty and Planet shampoos, and we have a buy one, get one free insert coupon. I told y'all about that deal in this week's videos. So the insert coupon right there it is. It's from the February 27th save insert. And last but not least, right here in the middle, we have Dove hand soap. So right now we have a Dollar General store coupon for $1.50 off 2, which is a good deal. But if you guys get your Unilever inserts on Sunday, we have a manufacturer coupon that will stack with that store coupon, and it is buy one, get one for free. So you're getting $1.50 off. Now, I did have an issue with the Unilever coupons scanning today because they're not supposed to like activate until Sunday. But the cashier didn't have any issue typing it in because they do say they don't expire until 3/26. So she did type that in, and I'm not sure how exactly the math is going to work out for this deal on Sunday, but she took off $1.80. Alright guys, so my subtotal for this transaction was $32.47, but after all of my coupons were applied, it was $6.67. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got 50 cents back, and that brought my final price to $6.17 for 16 items, or just 38 cents each. So here is a look at my entire haul, and for everything that you see here, retail, it would have been $119.70. But I only paid $8.85 out of pocket, which means I saved $110.85. Now, before y'all go, I also wanted to remind you guys, while you're out shopping the clearance event this weekend, be on the lookout for penny items. Guys, I went to this store on Thursday and was just kind of scoping it out. They were already marking down some of the food items at 70% off, so I grabbed some of those, but then I walked through the freezer section and spotted some of those Clover Valley ice cream sundae cones, and I ended up finding 5 boxes for just 1 penny each. So for this little transaction here, it ended up being $3.17. So be on the lookout for those surprise penny ice creams. And I did make a video on that with UPC code, so I'm going to leave that linked in the pinned comment down below. And just in case you missed it, I did make 2 videos for this clearance event with tons of visuals and coupon matchups. So I do have part 1 and part 2. I will leave both of those videos also linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you guys good luck shopping this clearance event. But before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.